Greetings to our health enthusiasts and welcome to another episode of Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects us all: the aging of our muscles. As we venture through life, our muscles inevitably age. But there are steps we can take to slow down this process. In this video, we'll explore 5 effective ways to keep our muscles youthful and strong. The first method to save your muscles from aging is regular exercise. Now, you might think of running or cycling when you hear exercise. But when it comes to preserving muscle health, strength training is your best friend. Lifting weights, for instance, helps build muscle mass and increase strength, keeping your muscles youthful and vigorous. But it's not all about heavy lifting. Resistance training, such as using resistance bands or performing bodyweight exercises, can also contribute greatly to muscle health. These exercises challenge your muscles by forcing them to work against a force or weight, promoting muscle growth and strength. But here's the thing: you don't have to be in the gym for hours every day. A consistent, well-rounded exercise routine, even if it's just 30 minutes a day, can have a significant positive impact on muscle health. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to exercise. A little every day goes a long way. The second method is maintaining a balanced diet. Now let's dive into the world of nutrition. The fuel for your muscles, the building blocks of your body, comes from the food you eat. A balanced diet rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals is crucial for maintaining muscle health. Proteins provide the essential amino acids that are the building blocks of muscle tissue. Vitamins and minerals, on the other hand, aid in metabolic processes and help in muscle contraction and relaxation. Additionally, hydration is a key player in muscle health. It helps keep tissues elastic and responsive. So don't forget to drink your water. Last but not least, it's wise to steer clear of processed foods. These are often high in unhealthy fats and sugars that can lead to inflammation, hindering muscle recovery and growth. Eating right is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good from the inside out. Our third method is giving your body adequate rest. Rest isn't just about taking a break when you're tired. It's a crucial part of maintaining and improving muscle health. When we sleep, our bodies enter a state of recovery, repairing the micro tears in our muscles caused by exercise. This process is essential for muscle growth and strength. Neglecting proper sleep and rest can disrupt this recovery process, hindering muscle growth and potentially leading to muscle deterioration over time. Chronic stress and lack of sleep can have equally damaging effects on our muscles. Stress releases a hormone called cortisol, which can break down muscle tissue, while sleep deprivation can decrease protein synthesis, a key process in muscle recovery and growth. So ensure you're getting that 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night and try to manage your stress levels through activities like meditation or yoga. Remember, your body rebuilds itself when you rest, not when you're working out. The fourth method is regular checkups and health screenings. These visits to your healthcare professional do more than just keep you in the loop about your health status. They're proactive measures to spot potential health concerns early before they evolve into substantial issues. Regular health screenings can detect irregularities or disorders that could potentially affect your muscle health in the long run. Furthermore, regular checkups provide an opportunity to monitor your overall health. For instance, your doctor can assess your heart health, blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and other vital signs. These factors indirectly influence your muscle health. If they're not in optimal condition, your muscles might also suffer. Regular checkups and health screenings are an integral part of a healthy lifestyle. They're like a health report card, providing a detailed overview of your well-being, just like you'd maintain your car with regular services. Your body needs the same attention and care. Prevention is better than cure, and that applies to muscle health too. And lastly, the fifth method is avoiding harmful habits. Detrimental behaviors like smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and leading a sedentary lifestyle can seriously compromise muscle health. Smoking can constrict blood vessels, limiting the flow of nutrients to your muscles. Overindulging in alcohol can interfere with protein synthesis, crucial for muscle repair and growth, and a sedentary lifestyle, well, muscles unused are muscles lost. So it's time to bid adieu to these harmful habits. Your habits shape your health. Choose wisely. And there you have it, 5 effective ways to save your muscles from aging. Remember, regular exercise, a balanced diet, getting enough rest, scheduling regular health checkups, and avoiding harmful habits are all crucial steps to keep your muscles strong and youthful. It's never too late to incorporate these methods into your daily routine. Your muscles will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks.